Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the month of September 2020, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in this coming month. Okay, so let's see what are my tarot cards, my tarot angels are going to tell you about this coming month. Alright, so let's proceed with your reading now. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's proceed with the readings for my Geminis for September 2020. Alright, so this is a Six of Cups card. So this is a more of a very beautiful memories card, where you really cherish some kind of memories of your past, like whatever this is. I want to say, like, school memories when you were like young. Those memories, they keep on coming up, or might be some kind of a love, past love, anything. It can be something really a very nostalgic moment I'm getting. Alright, so let's now 3 shuffles, please. Alright. Six of Cups again. So I shuffled. This is a big message in this coming month. Might be some kind of memories, might be someone coming back in your life, might be some kind of a job where you have worked, a company offer where you have already worked, something related to which has already happened. I'm seeing that something is coming up. So with this Six of Cups over here, so this is the overall energy for this month I'm seeing. And with the issue is King of Wands. The issue is somebody being very manipulative, I would say, somebody being very stubborn, I would say, where somebody is like, okay, I am going to take an action, so it will be my action, it will be my decision. So when you are like, this is a very different kind of an energy, where you have different thoughts, you have different things in your life, but still it's like somebody keep telling you, no, this is not right. So somebody keeps on telling you that what that person thinks, what that person feels, and you don't feel the same. Okay, so a very contradicting energy I'm seeing. Your focus over here is Page of Wands. So you are very energetic, you are very passionate, you are taking small steps. That is what your focus is. You are not rushing into anything, but yes, you are taking small steps towards whatever this is. In your recent past, I'm seeing Two of Cups. There was a partnership, so might be this person only, or this partnership only, where the things are coming up again, like refurnishing or something like that. The base of the reading is the Wheel of Fortune. So this is a really big turn which I'm seeing over here. When this is the root of the situation, but we will clarify what the exact Wheel of Fortune is saying, because things, the change is very important, and that is what is happening. But we will see what kind of change it is. Your future energies are Ten of Swords. So I don't want to say anything right now, but it is more of an ending, but not from your side. Might be from the other person, or with someone with whom you are dealing with. I'm seeing some kind of ending. Queen of Pentacles in your energies, where you are like, you are seeing yourself. This is an energy where you are, because your focus is like taking an action towards something, but a stable action, not a very very quick action. No, you are thinking, you are mature enough to think about this action, you are mature enough to think about the decision, what are the pros and cons about that thing. You are mature enough for that. People are, how people are actually seeing you, death card, it is more about like, you know, people are actually seeing some kind of a change in you. That is why I'm seeing this kind of ending is happening from other end only, because the changes, because the person whom you were, you are changing, because this is Queen of Pentacles and that is not your energy. Gemini are air, and you are like from air to ground to earth energy, it is like really different. So that is I'm seeing, that is what I'm seeing, like you are like that that fast energy which you have, and you are changing a very, in a very different form. So that is why people are not liking it, might be because of that change, and that is why they are like trying to end some stuff. Or this might be you as well, you also might be, you know, trying to end some stuff because you are now mature enough, so you can, you know, you have to deal with the same level kind of people around you. Hopes and fears are Eight of Swords. So this is an energy where, you know, you just fear, this is the fear of fearing basically. So that fear where you are like, okay, so am I doing this correct thing? So that kind of a fear is there, I'm seeing. You know, you are hoping for good things, but will those things happen to me? What will happen if the way which I am actually, you know, which I am actually thinking, I'm actually planning, it won't work? So that is a fear in you. Overall outcome is Four of Cups. So with this ending and with the Four of Cups, I'm seeing that somebody really is not ready to accept you, or you are not ready to accept them. Some kind of a situation, because I am seeing that because of some kind of a past, I'm seeing that, you know, this is a really something related to your past issues, and that is why uh, when you really think that I'm not being welcomed in this situation, you try to just ignore it, you just try to live without it, okay? And then when it reappears in your life, you are like, okay, let's not discuss about it. That is why I'm seeing that, you know, there's some kind of an ending, or you would say there's some kind of a rejection um, from any person. But I'm really seeing that, you know, your energies are really changing. So that might be you who is not ready to accept just anything, whatever will be offered to you. You will think about it first, then you will take an action, right? Okay, let's see why the Six of Cups is here in your energies. Knight of Pentacles. So somebody over here is like a very different person from the past. Somebody in past was, might be a very loving person who just loved to share stuff, you know, share gifts and everything, you know, basically a very different kind of a person, a very generous person. But now someone is becoming very much independent and more of a strong person. I'm seeing strong and independent person. So why is the issue, why is it an issue then? King of Wands, the Hanged Man. Because you, if this is you who has actually changed, so you have actually kept someone in a you know, in a crisscross, where this other person start to think like, who is this person with whom I'm actually meeting? Because you have become a very different person. Like if you were the person who were, you know, actually the one who was like, okay, I'm like loving you, okay, and all that bubbly messages and everything, all that cheesy stuff, and you have now changed. So people are like getting bothered, like how this person can change all of a sudden. So that is something which is actually not acceptable to some other people around you. This might be you as well, who is actually, you know, you are seeing people around you changing, but I really feel that it's your energy who is actually changing. Yeah. Page of Wands. Let's see why is it the focus. Why is it your focus? Page of Wands. Focus of Geminis. Why is it your focus? Death and the devil. See, so your focus is basically ending of some kind of situations which are actually not, you're not good. With the devil, it is like a very attractive energy and you are ending it. If you're attracted towards some person which you feel that it is just temporary, because devil is actually, those kind of addictions where you're addicted to drugs, you're addicted to alcohol and everything, that kind of stuff. But when you actually feel that you have to change and you actually try to end those things, so that is what actually this is bothering people as well in your surroundings. The change which is coming in you is not acceptable to other people, so that is why I'm seeing the things are ending from other ends. Because because your energies are not bad, your energies are very beautiful, because you are changing it for yourself and you are happy with yourself over here. So I don't think that it's a problem, it should be a problem to anyone, but if it's a problem, so I really think that you need to change the person. If you cannot change the person, change the person, right? Okay, so let's see the past energies. 8 10 of wands with the 2 of cups. So there was someone over here who was actually a burden to someone. So might be a partnership towards something, might be anything, it can be, but it was really a pressure for someone, and that is why the change has come up in your life. Why the 10 of swords is here in your future energies? Why the 10 of swords is here? The world. Yes, so this is definitely an ending for a new beginning, but this ending had to happen. This is some kind of lessons learned, and you know this is a beautiful ending, I would say. I know that it might hurt you because the emotions are also involved in here, but some endings, they have to happen in your life, and whatever. And I'm just saying, it's in the cards, that is why I'm saying. So people are not able to accept the change because you are learning from your past lessons. This might be you, because I'm really seeing that you have already taken more. See how this person is carrying 10 wands, but he cannot carry those 10 wands. He can just carry 2 or 3 wands, but he is carrying actually the whole pressure of the whole family, money, career, finances, whatever, relationships. So this person is carrying a lot, and when you are not getting the value of this thing, then you try to just, this person is ready to offload these sticks because he cannot carry it more. So how much more he will carry? He will offload it sometime. So that is why this time is coming up. Okay, so let's see why the wheel of fortune is here in your base reading. 9 of wands. See how this person has started to become tired. So 9 of wands then accompanied with 10 of wands. So with this thing, it's like the pressure has already been started. Then it comes to 10 of wands. When you start feeling that pressure, when you start feeling that tiredness, that when you start feeling that heaviness, but still you stand. You were like, no, I will be with this person, I will be with this situation, no matter how much it will go on, I will be with this thing. But exhaustion time comes. It comes, whatever state you are in, it comes, and it just felt, and you just fell off from this thing, because I'm really seeing that this person is really tired and he is ready to offload the sticks now. So you were ready in the past, and that is why you are ready in your future to offload those sticks, because you have become very stable personality. Let's see why the Queen of Pentacles is here. 9 of Cups. So this is like a wish coming true. This is like somebody you always wanted to be, like you always worked on yourself, and now when you have achieved this level of satisfaction, level of matured level basically. So it has actually come up, and you are now happy. So this is something, your wish coming true card I'm seeing. Let's see why the death is here. The Hermit, see. So this thing, this ending, this change is because, this ending is because of the change, and this change is really very stable. With the Hermit, the Hermit is more about soul searching, finding yourself. Where do you stand in the world? And that is why the people around you, they are actually seeing the change in you, and that is why they are not able to accept it. Let's see, Eight of Swords in your hopes and fears. Why is Eight of Swords is here in your hopes and fears? Ten of Cups. So this might be for some of you that, you might be entering in some kind of a relationship, and you are like, your hopes are really high for the relationship, and your fears are also like, because your hopes are so high, so your fears are also high at the same time, because you are seeing like a happy family. But what if it would not turn up into a happy family? What if you have taken a wrong decision? So that is what your hopes and fears are, if this is you. Let's see why the Four of Cups is here in the overall outcome. Seven of Pentacles. So yeah, the changes, the rejection, the endings, they are actually coming up. So the process has been started and it is coming to an end. But when you are like, you're waiting for some things and they do not come up too easily towards you, so that is what I'm seeing. Like, your energies are so much of, they have become so stable, you have become so stable, you have become so mature, that things will come in your life the way you want, but it will come slowly. So just expect some kind of rejections before you actually leave the level of, that maturity, that stability. I'm really seeing that you will be stable in your life. You will be, but you have to go through ups and downs in your life as well. So that is why this is more about those rejections before a stable offer comes towards you. And that is wait, a wait for something more stable coming towards you. So if you're ready for this wait, so heads up to you, really thumbs up to you. Okay, so that's all, Geminis. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.